Welcome to the Move Over Limit Vehicles Efficiently Main System, also known as MoveMe, user tutorial videos. This video will provide some helpful hints to navigate the permitting system effectively and with ease in MoveMe at movememain.com. This and other tutorial videos can be found on the login page via the MoveMe user tutorial videos link. Help is provided throughout the system. A question mark icon is displayed if a field has a help message associated. Hovering over the icon displays a brief explanation of the field. Clicking on the icon will display a detailed help message. MoveMe offers several great features that can be accessed straight from the company dashboard. Notice the two buttons in the upper left corner. The first button, Need Help, will display the help context, which offers detailed help regarding the use of MoveMe. The second is the Logout button, which will log users out of MoveMe. Below these buttons, users will see the administrative panel. These links perform different functions regarding the company account. Companies can also pull reconciliation reports through the MoveMe system. Click the Reports link in the administrative panel on the company dashboard to display the Customer Permit Reports screen. Enter the report parameters, select the format, and specific search dates. Click the Generate Report button. A PDF or Excel file will display listing the search criteria. Please see the other tutorial videos for detailed information about the administrative panel links. Also on the left side under the administrative panel is the Customer Support panel. If a MoveMe live chat support specialist is available for chat, the live chat button will turn green and display online. The functionality of this is similar to any instant messenger system you may have used previously. If a MoveMe live chat support specialist is not available, customers can use the Request Support callback function, which will allow users to leave a telephone number, email address, and a brief note addressing any questions or concerns. The main permit office aims to respond to all callback requests within 24 hours. The Permit Rules button is also provided in the Customer Support panel as a reference. This button will display the main commercial vehicles motor carrier services webpage. In the upper right-hand corner, users will find the shopping cart, which displays all permits awaiting payment. Clicking on the Go to Cart link will open the shopping cart. For more information, see the shopping cart tutorial video located on the login page. The Messages panel, located under the shopping cart, will inform users of important permit and routing information and updates concerning MoveMe. The Statistics panel is a quick reference to monitor progress for the current day. This display allows users to view the total number of permits issued today, as well as how many of those permits were self-issued. Another feature the company dashboard provides is being able to view and print any issued permits directly from the dashboard. Click directly on the permit number hyperlink as long as the permit still has a status of issued. The dashboard can show up to 200 permits at a time. After scrolling to the bottom of the company dashboard, from the Show drop-down list, you can select the amount of records to display. All permit types and statuses will be displayed. Users can also search for specific permits. Click the Expand chevron icons next to the Search Permits hyperlink to open the search criteria. Select the criteria for which you want to search. Users can search by permit number, permit ID, vehicle, permit type, issue date, start date, VIN number, company reference, highway route, origin city, or destination city. Enter the required information into the empty field based on the search by criteria and click the Go button. The dashboard will now list all permits for your company meeting the search criteria. The Select link in the Action column performs a variety of actions. Any permit on the dashboard with a status of unfinished can be cleared from the dashboard by clicking the Select hyperlink in the Action column. Choose Cancel Permit from the ensuing list of actions. Click OK from the Are you sure you wish to delete this permit message that displays. The permit will be cleared from the dashboard. Alternatively, you can resume the unfinished permits, changing information as needed to issue a new permit. Any permits on the dashboard with a status of issued or issued prior can be copied by clicking the Select link in the Action column, then click Copy Permit. This will create a new permit of the same permit type with today's start date. When copying a permit, the vehicle information and route can be modified as needed. This is extremely helpful when there has been a previously ordered permit with a difficult route or if a permit is needed with a lot of the same information. If for some reason an additional copy of a permit is needed, MoveMe has a resend feature to resend the PDF. Click the select link in the action column and then choose View Permit. This will display the permit details screen. From this screen, you can enter a fax number or email address in the Resend by Fax or Email to text box. Click the email or fax icon to resend the PDF. A permit may be resent only if it has a status of issued. The permit details screen will also display any information input during the order permits process, including vehicle information, changes made, payments made, notes, routes, and any associated chats. MoveMe also allows users to add several vehicles without having to order separate permits when multiple power units for a load with the same dimensions and route are needed. Start the new permit as normal. Once the truck and load information screen is displayed, click the Add Power Unit icon next to the Vehicle Inventory drop-down list. This will add an additional permit for a separate power unit. Users can add as many or as few power units as needed. This concludes the Helpful Hints MoveMe user tutorial video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget more videos are available for your convenience.